Hi there, I'm Steve with Camping Car here in Port Townsend, and we're showing off our Home on Wheels kit inside this Nissan NV200 van today. So if you take a look here, you can see we've got a tall trunk bunk. That's the main bed component of the Home on Wheels kit that goes along with these excellent shelf units here. And so the tall trunk bunk gives you a little more lift off the ground, which allows you to store quite a bit underneath. It really allows you to take full advantage of every square foot of this van. And the trunk bunk can be bought as a standalone unit, but it also goes great with these shelves in this van, the Nissan NV200. It also works great inside minivans, larger vans, trucks, big SUVs, ambulances, whatever. It's a great kit if you really just want something functional, but also nice and elegant that can get you a good place to sleep and store your goods while you're living your best van life. The trunk bunk expands and contracts like this very smoothly. It's a really awesome way to just kind of adjust it to your needs. And you can even kind of have it right here, so it's just at width with the shelf. However you want to set it up, it works great. This is the 5.5 foot version. As you can see in this particular van, the Nissan NV200, that's about the furthest length you could get in the bed. So if you were taller and you needed the 6 foot version, you might want to consider getting a longer van, or you could just buy the trunk bunk and the side shelf or the big shelf and arrange those in here and just have one shelf and make it work to give you the extra length for the 6 foot bed. So there's a lot of different options of how you can configure this. This is the standard configuration of the Home on Wheels kit, with the large shelf on the back side of the van and the smaller one on the side. Most importantly of all, for every 10 of these we sell, we actually donate one to the Homes on Wheels Alliance. That's a nonprofit that was founded by the famous Vanlifer Bob Wells that helps people on the edge of homelessness get outfitted with vans, and we're really proud to work with that nonprofit. We designed this product in collaboration with Bob Wells and the Homes on Wheels Alliance, and it's a great mission for us to get behind. We make these here in the Pacific Northwest, and they're made of really high quality plywood, good lumber, all from sustainable resources, and we're here to help out if anything ever comes up with your build. It comes with easy to follow instructions to allow you to put this together yourself, but if you need some help and you want us to put it together, you can come to Port Townsend in Washington State. We're happy to do that for you as well. It's a great unit, it's very functional, and we think you'll love it.